guys, welcome back to the channel. You know how much I love making abstract art, so today I wanted to share another technique or way to make a pretty abstract painting. If you love and appreciate art like I do, but you want to save money, this is a great way of doing that. You can have something that you love and you will value it. For this painting, I'm using an 18 by 24 inch canvas. So the first thing that I want to do is prep by mixing up the paints first. But before we do that, I want to mention a couple of items you will need for this project, which are gloves, protective cloth for your work area, mixing sticks, plastic cups, Floetrol, and acrylic paint. I have some new acrylic paints that I'm going to try by Tresha, and here is the kit. It comes with 20 paint colors in there. The paint colors are really vibrant and I absolutely love how they pop after it dries. There's 6 paints that I've chosen for this project, and I will put all the names of each of them in the description box below along with the link in case you want to add some to your collection. To start off, I'm going to add in about 1 ounce of acrylic paint in my cup along with 2 ounces of Floetrol. Then I'm going to add half an ounce of water. Now I'm going to mix that up thoroughly. The consistency should look thin but not runny. I'm going to repeat the same process for each of the paint colors. Afterwards, I'm going to take a clean cup and pour a little bit of each into the cup and add white after it. Wow, that's a lot of paint. Next, I'm going to coat the entire canvas with white paint. This paint also has Floetrol and water in it. The reason why I do it is to help the paint flow better on the canvas. Now I'm going to pour the paint right in the middle of the canvas. Since I had a little bit more paint left, I decided to add that in the middle as well. I'm just curious to see how it's going to turn out. Next, let's swirl the paint around the canvas. I think this would have looked great as well. I could have just stopped right here. After I finished swirling, I decided to use my heat gun to blend out some of the edges where you can see the purple. And finally, I decided to add a couple of lines of purple in there. This is how it turned out. So if you have been thinking of making a painting of your very own, just try it. You just never know how it's going to turn out. I would suggest starting with a small canvas. That way you can work up to a large painting once you get the technique down that you really like. There are so many techniques out there. You can look at videos that I've done in the past, as well as there are other artists out there on YouTube that you can look up and learn from them. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.